Hey everyone, Sean Lamont with Douglas Elliman. Welcome back to How's the Market? 3 key takeaways from this past month. Looking at the data for January 2020, new development did really well. Resales, the higher part of the market, did really well. And we're finally seeing supply go down in only one small piece of the market, but that's a start and it should be a good sign of things to come. Looking at the first thing, new development across the board, contracts signed went up by 64%. Studios, new development, contracts signed went up by 250%. One bedrooms in new development up by 100%. Look at the data, every property type in new development did really strongly. It's really a good sign. For resales, take a look at the data for, in specific, look at the Upper West Side, look at downtown, but overall, look at the upper end of the market. We're starting to see contracts signed really get strong there. And in supply, we saw one bedrooms in resale supply go down for the first time in such a long time. Such a good sign. For many months in a row, we've seen supply go up and up and up and up. We talked a lot about it last month. It's been a huge part of what's been happening with this market. There's lots of stuff happening geopolitically, and the tax changes have all of these things have certainly impacted the market. But the fact is, the increase in supply, both in resale and in new development, have been a huge part of the current market that we're in. If the other property types, the other property sizes can follow the trend of one bedrooms and go down, that will definitely help for prices to start to go back up. If you're a seller, that's a good sign of some things to come, and probably shortly. If you're a buyer, it probably means that this 1 or 2 year run that we've had of really good opportunities for pricing is probably not, we already knew it wasn't going to continue forever, but probably I would say it's probably another 6 months to a year that you'll be able to enjoy where we've been. That's still a pretty good amount of time, but I would try to do it. If you think you're going to do it in the next 2 to 3 years, now is probably going to be a much better time than you'll see once we get to that point. Take a look at the data that follows. Let me know if you have any questions, and no matter what, have an amazing day. Bye.